ready to witness the most groundbreaking AI technology from GIGABYTE that will change the game forever. Since 2023, AI has become a pivotal topic worldwide. We've seen more and more large AI models entering the market, creating new value and shaping our future. Initially, general AI was primarily used on public cloud platforms. However, starting in 2025, the focus will shift toward customized use in private clouds. This shift is important because customized AI applications enhance productivity and offer specific benefits tailored to individual needs. Customized AI also helps reduce costs and energy consumption related to data transmission and storage. Additionally, it ensures user data privacy and boosts productivity for specialized tasks. There is a high demand for customized AI models, especially from small and medium-sized companies. However, building and implementing these customized models come with their own set of challenges. Not every company has experienced AI trainers or engineers. Budget constraints can be a significant hurdle. Moreover, the need for specialized electrical setups poses another challenge. For those considering using public cloud to train their AI models, security and privacy concerns may cause hesitation in uploading sensitive data. Once AI models are deployed, companies often face the challenge of maintaining and updating these models to ensure they remain effective and secure. So, what's the solution? The answer lies in local AI training. The rise of local AI training. Local AI training brings powerful capabilities directly to your desk. Imagine unlocking the full potential of AI without relying on external cloud services. Things have become simpler, smarter, and more efficient. It's no longer just imagination, it's happening now. Local AI training solutions come with powerful hardware and user-friendly interfaces, making it easy to start your own AI model training. They provide comprehensive guidance and information to help users learn and grow. This democratizes AI training, allowing even those with limited expertise to harness its power. Addressing the challenges traditionally, AI training has been limited to high-power GPU servers, making it unaffordable for many small or medium-sized companies. Concerns about privacy and data security have also hindered the adoption of cloud-based AI solutions. However, local AI training offers a solution to these challenges by allowing you to train open-source language models directly on your local AI PC. This not only reduces hardware costs, but also puts the power of AI training in the hands of everyday users. Key features and benefits. 1. Cost-effective hardware solutions. Training large language models on cloud servers can be prohibitively expensive. However, with local AI training setups, you can train any large language model cost-effectively and conveniently from your local desk. This approach not only reduces expenses, but also offers greater control over your data, making it an ideal solution for small to medium-sized businesses. 2. Data privacy. Data is the new gold and the lifeblood of modern business. Very few companies are willing to give their sensitive data to the cloud for AI training due to security and privacy concerns. By training your own large language models on your AI PC, you can rest assured that your data remains secure and does not end up in the hands of cloud-based AI providers. This level of control over your data is unprecedented in the AI industry, ensuring maximum privacy, security, and peace of mind for businesses of all sizes. 3. User-friendly interfaces. Not everyone using AI software is an expert. Local AI training solutions are specifically designed to democratize AI by simplifying the training process. With intuitive features, even those with limited technical expertise can adjust parameters and optimize models effortlessly with just a few clicks. This user-friendly approach eliminates the necessity for complex command line operations, ensuring that AI training is accessible and manageable for everyone, from novices to seasoned professionals. Enhancing data. Pre-processing data. Pre-processing is a crucial initial step in AI training. It significantly improves the quality of data used for model training, thereby enhancing model performance. Local AI training tools typically offer robust features for data pre-processing, including automated cleaning and transformation of raw data, feature engineering to select relevant data attributes, and visualization tools for understanding data distributions. These capabilities streamline the pre-processing phase, ensuring that models are trained on high-quality data for optimal results. Automated cleaning and transformation. Simplify the process of cleaning and transforming raw data. Feature engineering. Automatically generate and select the most relevant features for model training. Visualization tools. Help in understanding data distributions and identifying patterns. Overcoming GPU memory constraints. One of the limitations of local AI training is GPU memory constraints. Large models require substantial memory, which can be a bottleneck. However, there are solutions to mitigate this issue. Model optimization. Techniques like pruning and quantization can reduce the model size without significantly affecting performance. Data parallelism. Distribute the training data across multiple GPUs to alleviate memory constraints. Memory management tools. Utilize tools that optimize memory usage and manage resources efficiently. Tailoring recommendation systems. Recommendation systems are a crucial application of AI, particularly in e-commerce, entertainment, and content delivery. Local AI training can be tailored to develop highly personalized recommendation systems using specific software and techniques. Collaborative filtering. Use user item interactions to recommend items. Content-based filtering. Recommend items based on user preferences and item attributes. Hybrid methods. Combine collaborative and content-based filtering for improved recommendations. Local AI training allows for the customization of these recommendation systems to better suit the specific needs of your business and customers. Running AI workshops. Conducting an on-site AI workshop presents unique challenges and opportunities. Workshops are essential for hands-on learning and practical experience. Here are some tips and solutions for conducting an effective AI workshop. Preparation and setup. Ensure all hardware and software are set up correctly before the workshop. Provide detailed instructions and support materials. Interactive sessions. Incorporate interactive elements such as coding exercises and real-time model training to engage participants. Feedback and support. Offer continuous feedback and support during and after the workshop to help participants with any issues they encounter. The future of AI is here, and it's local. We democratize access to this powerful technology by bringing AI training capabilities directly to your desk. Our on-premise AI training solutions provide cost-effective hardware, data protection, an easy-to-use interface, and comprehensive support to overcome traditional challenges. Whether you're a student, researcher, or business owner, the potential for innovation and efficiency is immense. Thank you for joining us today. Explore the world of local AI training and discover how it can transform your projects and business. Stay tuned to AI Evolution Hub for more insights and updates on the latest advancements in AI technology. Together, let's unlock the full potential of AI and shape the future.